Miss Grand International 2020 second runner-up is Miss Grand Guatemala! Wow. Make some noise, guys. Our second runner-up, Miss Grand Guatemala here. Only 2 ladies remain. One of them will be crowned Miss Grand International 2020. Here we go, guys. Make some noise. 2 beautiful ladies stand on our stage here. One, Miss Grand International 2020. The other will be our first runner-up. She will fulfill Miss Grand International's duties if she cannot. Who will they be? Who do you like, guys? Make some noise, come on. I gotta hear you. Who's it gonna be? Who is our winner going to be this year with the Golden Crown? MGI 2020. This is the moment. This is the moment we have been waiting for all evening, ladies and gentlemen. Bangkok, Thailand, and the world, are you ready to meet Miss Grand International 2020? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Grand International 2020 is Miss Grand United States of America! Walk. One more time, guys. Miss Grand International 2000. People, all of our supporters, all of our lovely sponsors for making the Miss Grand International event happen nicely here tonight in beautiful Thailand. We hope we can bring happiness to the world. We hope you have enjoyed the night, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you once again to all of our beautiful contestants here and to all of our fans who are watching throughout the world tonight. Congratulations once again to Miss Grand International 2020.